What if I told you the biggest business frontiers of our lifetime are being created right now? We're not just talking about smarter tools. We're talking about entirely new industries, new niche markets, and new revenue streams that didn't exist 3 years ago. If you've been searching for the next big idea, listen closely, because AI is lowering the barrier to entry and opening doors for bold entrepreneurs just like you. The AI boom isn't just optimizing existing companies, it's creating whole new entrepreneurial ecosystems. The global AI marketing industry is already worth over $47 billion in 2025 alone, and is projected to more than double in the next 3 years. At the same time, 92% of all businesses plan to increase their AI investments. But here's the catch. Most of them don't know how to use AI effectively. That's where the opportunity lies. You can be the bridge between AI's capabilities and the businesses desperate to leverage them. Okay, let's take a look at these. Let's look at some hot new niches that are already exploding. First, AI optimization agencies. Think SEO, but for ChatGPT, Gemini, or Bing Copilot. This is about making sure AI platforms see your client's content and rank them in AI-driven search results. It's a brand new vertical, and companies like Profound are already pioneering it. Secondly, let's think about AI-powered PR services. Traditional press outreach is being transformed. Today, 3 out of 4 PR professionals are already using generative AI to craft personalized media pitches, track sentiment, and even manage crisis alerts. A boutique agency that blends storytelling with AI scale? Now, that's a goldmine. Let's think about AI in learning and content. Personalized e-learning is surging. Imagine building courses that adjust in real time to a student's progress, or as a freelancer, using AI to generate draft videos, articles, or social posts, then refining it with your expertise. This model let one person operate like a full studio. Lastly, let's think about AI workflow and agent integration. Many businesses don't need to build entire AI models. They just need someone to stitch together the tools. Agents, automations, custom pipelines now. If you can design the plumbing, you can be powerful in this niche. Here's the mindset shift I want you to adopt. AI isn't just a tool, it's your co-founder. You bring vision, creativity, and human insight. AI brings speed, scale, and nonstop execution. Together, you can launch ideas faster, test markets quicker, and scale leaner than ever before. Think startups like Rillet, which double revenue in just 12 weeks by automating financial processes with AI. Or Vercel, which just raised over $300 million for AI-powered development platforms. They're proving what happens when you ride the AI wave at the right moment. So what does this mean for you and our BEF community? Well, number 1, start with your domain knowledge. What do you do best? 2, pick one micro niche, whether that's AI, PR, e-learning, agent integration. Focus creates authority. 3, prototype fast. Use the tools already out there. Launch a minimum viable service in days, not months. 4, document, refine, and position yourself as the expert, because you'll be ahead of the curve while others are still figuring it out. We are standing at the edge of AI-powered entrepreneurship. The explosion is happening, and you don't need to invent the rocket. You just need to choose your trajectory. This is the moment to launch your next big idea. The frontier is open, the opportunity is real, and AI is ready to be your co-founder. This is Journey Road Studios, where business, entrepreneurship, and the future collide. Let's build